So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here's me again with another BMW E30 related problem. So a couple days ago, or actually week, we took it to the Donington racetrack. We didn't race, we actually went to the BMW Fest, and yeah, we had a problem. Basically, we realized on the way back that the alternator is not charging. So yeah, I did what I did best, basically swap the parts. I guess this is the alternator number 3. Still doesn't charge. I was just like, okay. After second one, thought maybe the second one faulty as well. So let's take out the alternator from that car, the red one. And before taking alternator out of the red one, I did test it and it did show almost 14 volts of a charge. And of course, placed in this one, it does not charge. So yeah, ground looks fine. Positive cable looks fine as well. Then I read on the internet some comments about changing dashboards, like instrument clusters. So yeah, basically changed. There is 1, 2, and 3. None of them made any difference. Still, I don't have any charge. When I start the car, there's like 12.2 or 4, 12.4 I guess volts showing on a multimeter. And yeah, I have no idea where to look for a problem, because I believe this one have no fuses, no relays, no nothing. So maybe someone have the same problem and knows the solution for this problem. If so, please leave me comments down below this video, or just send me a message via Instagram at @handbuildcars. And yeah, to be honest, I don't know where's the problem. And yeah, I'm actually desperate to find this problem, because we need this car to be ready in over the next couple of days. So yeah, and yeah, if you know the problem, write down the comment or Instagram or even email handbuildcars@hotmail.com. And yeah, thank you so much for your help, and of course for your time helping us deal with this problem. And yeah, until next time, I guess. See you guys. Cheers.